here's the blizzard 2011. This is a ton of snow. It's up to above my knees. Oh my God, I'm like walking in just pure snow, you guys. It's intense. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of snow. Just look at that. All the snow. You see, this is up. Oh God. This is up to my waist. Look at that. Up to my waist. Yeah, it's kind of hard to go through. Okay. Let's walk around. The pool's full. Uh-oh. More wind. It's like a sandstorm. I'm like laying in this. Oh my gosh. Not going anywhere. Oh my God, my camera. Oh, my camera. Okay, I'm getting out of this. Oh my God, you see that? It's just going right in. It was snowy, guys. Oh my gosh. All that. It's like up to our waist. Oh gosh. A trampoline. Up to our kneecaps. This is true snow right here. Trampoline. Look at how high it is. That's not off the ground. That's
who wants to go down?
How high it is. Try making a snow angel in this. This will definitely be remembered. All the snow. Up to my kneecaps. Man, doesn't get any worse. All in your boot. Yep. Can someone put my hood back on?
It's like we're in Alaska or something.
I know, right? Put my hood on, Emily. Okay. Oh, it's like walking in a winter wonderland. What? Squirrel! Oh, I see that. So lose it. Oh, this is so much.
Belly pull out.
Oh my God! Pile of ice. Gosh, snow all over my camera. Oh my God, up the shirt, up the shirt. Someone take my camera, it's up the shirt, I can't get up. Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh, ooh, don't do that again. All right, we're walking past. Try to cover my camera from all the snow. The snow is like waves, just blowing everywhere, getting deeper as I walk. Oh my gosh. My boot is gonna come off. It's like walking in sinking sand. Oh gosh. Alright, we're walking around. Krista takes a collapse. Oh, maybe this is flatter. There we go. Some parts where it did not drift. Man, I mean, look at this. Up to our knees. Man. Up to my kneecaps, and I'm 5 foot. The short one. Oh yes. Oh, so. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can't even open the dang door. That's sad. Whew. It's a lot of work. Freezing bodies. We can't open it? No. Alright. Now you know what it's like to be in a blizzard. Bye.